So this is Nate's case. Just an update. We got the motherboard, got the RAM installed, installed the Cryo Rig C7, went on painlessly, really nice. So this is Nate's case. Much into that small form factor size. So what case is this, Nate?
This is a Cooler Master 130.
Nice. Yep. I think it's
Elite
130 Elite. Yep. Cool. Awesome. So yeah, we're gonna crack this bad boy open. Let's go ahead and just take off these thumb screws. You might be able to do it with your hands. If not, you got your screwdriver here. This is gonna reveal your internals. Very nice. This is where your power supply mounts. It does have a dust filter up here, so that'll be good.